I hope all of you are doing well. So let's discuss the given question here. If y equal to 3 into e raised to 5x plus 5 into e raised to 3x, then find the value of d2y by dx square minus 8 into dy by dx equal to how much? Okay. So guys, to solve this question, we use the key concept is that is second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay. So just write down the given question as it is, that is y equal to 3 into e raised to 5x plus 5 into e to the power 3x. Okay. Call this equation number 1. Guys, remember the equation numbers because we have to make some little arrangements that will be very useful to solve this question. So first differentiate. So first differentiate means y dash equal to 3 into e to the power 5x into 5x derivative is 5 plus 5 into e to the power 3x into 3x derivative is 3. So your y dash will be 5 3s are 15 into e to the power 5x plus 15 into e to the power 3x. This is the y dash value, right? So guys, we have to replace e to the power 3x from the equation 1. So equation 1, what is the value of e to the power 3x? So your y dash value will be, y dash means first order derivative, that is 15 into e to the power 5x plus 15 in bracket. Here e to the power 3x equal to y minus 3 into e to the power how much? 5x whole divided by how much? 5. This is the value of e to the power 3x from the equation 1. So from equation number 1. So just simplify this. Y dash equal to 15 into e to the power 5x. 5 1s are 1, 5 3s are 15. Simplify 3y minus 3 3s are 9 into e to the power 5x. So simplify this. Y dash equal to 3y, 15 minus 9, how much? Plus 6 into e to the power 5x. So this is one equation. Okay. So again differentiate, call this equation number 2. Again differentiate with respect to x. So you will be getting y double dash equal to 3 into y dash plus 6 into e to the power 5x into 5. Okay. So now replace this e raised to 5x from the equation number 2. So y double dash equal to 3 into y dash plus 6 into, if you replace e raised to 5x from the equation number 2, you will be getting y dash minus 3y whole divided by 6. Okay. Correct. Am I correct, guys? Y dash minus 3y here into 5 is also there. Huh? Don't forget to write this e into 5 because this is 5 is remaining, right, as it is. So if you solve this, 6 will get cancelled. Write down next page. So y double dash equal to 3 into y dash in the bracket will be remaining 5y dash minus 15y plus 5y dash minus 15y. So simplify this. Y double dash equal to 8y dash minus 15y. So just rearrange this equation. Y double dash equal to minus y double dash minus 8y dash equal to minus 15y. So we know, guys, y double dash is what? d2y by second order derivative. That is d2y by dx square minus 8 into y dash means dy by dx equal to minus 15y. So guys, your final answer will be minus 15y. So which option is correct one? Option number B will be the correct option, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.